Dun, 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 dun. This is weather tonight with Bearington Sunshine. As you can see, it's late and dark and almost not daytime. We're here with Christine to talk about the weather. Christine?
Yes? Hello. It looks like it's going to rain out. I think it's going to rain. The best way for us to have fun when it's raining is to sing. So let's go. We're singing in the rain. Singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds. Dark up above. The for love. Let the stormy clouds chase.
Don't get me.
Everyone from the place.
This is Bearington.
A smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain.
Thank you, Christine.
Just singing in the rain.
Back to you, Jacob, in the newsroom. Good night.